Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel DigiSite, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide messages on iPhone. So in order to do that, first of all launch settings on your iPhone. Now once you come here, go to notifications. Now over here you can see various options here. So in my case the notifications will be displayed as in a list. Now if you tap on the option of show previews, okay, let's tap on that option. You can see that the show previews option has been selected for when unlocked in my case, which means that when I unlock my iPhone, then only I would be able to see my notifications previews. Now you have to tap on the option of never. You won't be able to see your notifications preview on your lock screen or anywhere on your phone from now. Now, if you scroll down below, you'll see various other applications and their notification settings on your iPhone. Now go to Messages and over here simply turn off the toggle for Allow Notifications. If you do so, you won't be getting or seeing any notifications of your messages on iPhone, which in turn will hide your messages on your iPhone, and then you would only be able to see your messages once you open the certain app. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.